In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom bullet points in Webflow. To get started, open your project in the Webflow Designer. This is where you will build and style your list. And once you are inside the project, the process is pretty straightforward. Next, go to the Add Elements panel by clicking the plus icon in the top left corner. In the search bar, type List. Then drag the list element onto your canvas. By default, Webflow creates an unordered list with 3 bulleted list items already included, which gives you a quick starting point. If you don't see bullets right away, don't worry. Select the list element directly on the canvas, then go to the Element Settings panel using the gear icon on the right side. Under List Settings, make sure the type is set to unordered list and the style is set to bullets. This is important because your custom bullet design works best when the base list is set up correctly first. Once the list is ready, you can start adding your custom image or icon. Select one of the list item elements, also known as an LI element, and apply a class to it so the same styling can be used across all items in the list. This saves time and keeps everything consistent. You can use a class name like custom list item or any clean naming system that fits your project. After that, open the Style panel and scroll down to the Background section. Click the plus icon to add a new background. Then set the background image to the icon or image you want to use as your custom bullet point. SVG files work especially well here because they stay crisp and scale nicely. In the background settings, set the position to left and center. If needed, you can slightly offset the position so the icon lines up better with the text visually. Then choose whether you want the image set to cover, contain, or custom, depending on the size and look you are going for. If you choose custom, you can define the width and height more precisely, which gives you more control over the final appearance. Finally, repeat that styling setup for all list items in the list. Since you applied a class, this process becomes much easier and helps ensure every bullet looks the same throughout the section. And that's it. Thanks for watching.